This is a new acrylic bending machine. The aluminum alloy shell has been totally upgraded, way lighter now. It's designed for one-piece storage, so it saves more space. When using the positioning arm, just unfold it and remember to tighten the screw clockwise. The knob screw is for fixing the lens positioning piece. You can adjust its position as needed. On the side, install the water pipe connector and hose, but make sure to check the inlet and outlet positions. Then, plug in the power. The side knob controls the heating range, and you can precisely adjust the temperature. Plus, the positioning angle is adjustable. All you need to do is heat the acrylic sheet, bend it, let it cool, and set, and you're good to DIY. Give it a try now.